How to download image from Pinterest. So if you want to download any image from Pinterest account, then you can open up your browser, go for the search bar and search for Pinterest. And once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which is www.pinterest.com, and it will take you to the website so you can log into your account. And once you've logged in, here you will have a bunch of photos or a bunch of pins. So what you can do is you can simply choose any pin that you would like. So I'll be choosing the first pin, and here if you want to download this image, then what you can do is go for the three dots which is here, which says more options. Click on that, and here you will have download image. So you can simply go for download image, and that's it, your image has been downloaded. So you can simply go for the downloads option, which is on the upper right of your screen. Click on your downloads and go for full download history, and then you can go for show in folder and you can open up that. So that's it, that's how you download Pinterest image. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.